Good morning. Today we will discuss the 8-bit multiplication. In 8085 microprocessor, there is no separate instruction for multiplication. There is no separate instruction for multiplication. Then how to multiply the two data? Suppose data 1 05 and data 2 06. This is for data 1 and this is for data 2. Now to multiply 05 into 06 in microprocessor, to add the two data, we can add ADD instruction. Now to subtract the two data, we can use the sub. Now to multiply the two data, there is no separate instruction. Then how to multiply 05 and 06 are given any two data. For that, we can use repeated addition concept. Repeated addition concept. Repeated addition means to fix any one data for counter. To fix any one data for counter. The 05 data in B register and 06 data in C register. Now to fix any one data for counter, first we have to clear the accumulator content. Initially 00. Initially 00. Now the 05 data we can add with the same data 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 05 data we can add with the 6 times, or 06 data we can add with the 5 times. We can add with the 5 times. Now we can get the result. Suppose 05 data add 6 times. Now the 06 for counter, or 06 data we can add 5 times. 06 data we can add 5 times. Now the 05 is the counter. 06, 06, 06, 06, 06. We can add the 5 times 06. Now we can get the same result. Same result. This is for 30 in decimal. What will be the corresponding hexa value? 1 each. The corresponding hexa value 1 each. Okay. Now how to multiply? First we have to initially to clear the accumulator content 00 and B register 05 data 1 and C register 06. Okay. Now to fix any one registered data for counter. Next data we can add with the number of times. This is called repeated addition. First, here the 06 data in C register. This is for to fix as a counter. A register 0 and B register 05. Now A register data and with B register. This is for 00 and this is for 05. Now result in accumulator 05. And decrement the C register single times. Now C equal to 05. Why means we have to add C register data till 0. Then only we can get the repeated addition result. We have to add 6 times For that, now to decrement the C register data single times. Now C equal to 0, 5. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again add A plus B. Here A result 0, 5 and B result 0, 5. Now to add these two data 0A. 0A in hexadecimal, 10 in decimal. Next decrement C. Now C equal to 0, 4. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again jump to here and these two data. Accumulated data 0A plus B register data 0, 5. Now add these two. 10 plus 5, 15 in decimal and corresponding hexa value 0F. Again, now decrement C register. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. Add the same concept. A plus B. A value 0F and B value 0, 5. Now 0F means 15 plus 5, 20 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 14. Now to decrement C register. C equal to 0, 2. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again add the same concept. 14 plus 0, 5 equal to 14 means 20 and 5, 25 in decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 19. Now decrement C. C equal to 0, 1. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again add same concept. A with B. A 19 and B 5. 19 means 25. 25, 0, 5, 30. 30 decimal and corresponding hexadecimal value 1E. Now C equal to 0. When C equal to 0 means now to stop the process and to store the accumulated result. This is a 0.5 into 0.6 result 1E. 1E the corresponding decimal value 30. Okay. We can add like this or to fix B register for counter and A register add with the 6. How many times? 0, 5 times. Now to decrement the B register till 0. We can add 0, 0, 0, 6 and then 0, 6 add with the 0, 6 till the B register 0. Okay. First, we will discuss the basic multiplication. 850005 data and 850106 data. This is for multiplicand and this is for multiplier. Now to multiply these two. This is for data 1 and data 2. First, we have to clear accumulator. To clear the accumulator, that is A register. For that, we can use X or A instruction. X or A means exclusive or accumulator with the accumulator. Now accumulator result will be 0, 0. We can use this instruction or we can use MVI A, 0, 0, N. This is also to clear the accumulator content 0, 0. Either we can use XOR A or MVI A, 0, 0. The 0, 0 data immediately to move accumulator, no accumulator will be 0. Or logically an accumulator with the accumulator content. Now result accumulator will be 0. This is for single byte instruction and this is for 2 byte instruction. Okay. If you are writing any program, we have to reduce the program size. Okay, always we can use the XOR concept. Why means it will require only for single byte instruction, but this one require 2 byte. 2 byte means it will increase the more memory space. Okay, we can use always XOR A. Next, data 1 in address 8500 and data 2 in 8501. Now to load 2 8-bit data in address 8500 and 8501. More than one data means we have to use LXI H. First we have to initialize the memory address LXI H, 8500 H. Now this is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory address location. Now the memory address location data 05. This is for data 1. Data 1 to move any register. First memory data to move B register. Now memory data to move B register 05. Now data 1 in B register. Now to load the second data, further to increment the memory address available HL register pair, we have to use INX H means now memory address will be incremented. This is for L register and this is for H register. These two represent for memory. Now the memory data to move some other register. Suppose C register, MOV C, M. Memory data to move C register. Now C equal to 06. Data 1 in B register, data 2 in C register. To fix any one register data for counter and then second data add with the accumulator. First we have to initially add with the accumulator. The accumulator content we have to clear 00. 00 we can add with the 0B or 0 accumulated data we can add with the 0C. There are two ways we can add. To fix any one register content for counter, the second register data add with the accumulator till the counter value 0. If counter value is 0, now to store the accumulator result, next address location 8502 to store the product result. Okay. Now to add accumulated data with B register and to fix the C register for counter. Now to add number of times till C register 0. For that ADD add accumulator with the B register. Okay. After addition, we have to decrement the C register. Now C equal to decrement C means now C equal to 05. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again we have to add the accumulator with the B register. Now to repeat the same process. This is called repeated addition. Now to repeat the same process until or till C register 0. Now to check if result is no 0. No 0 means jump to this address location. Now jump to this address location. Again add accumulator with the B register. Again decrement C. Now C equal to 04. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again jump to here and here with the B register till C register 0. If C register 0 means result available in accumulator. Okay. Now accumulator result to store 8502H memory address location and all to the program. This is the basic method of to multiply the two datas. Okay. Any doubt? Now 05 into 06. Now to multiply these two, result 30 in decimal and corresponding hexa value 1e. Now to store 1e h. This is the result. Okay. Next method. Write an assembly language program to multiply the two numbers of 8-bit data stored in memory locations 8500 and 8501. Okay, this is for data 1 and this is for data 2. And store the result 8502 and carry to store the 8503 address. In 8502, this is for product, and 8503, this is for carry. Here, to multiply the two 8-bit data, for that we can use a repeated addition. Data 1, 8-bit, data 2, 8-bit. Now to add these two data for repeated addition, if result is more than 8-bit, we have to increment the carry register single times. Okay, again add two data, again to check the result. The result is within 8-bit or more than 8-bit. If result is within 8-bit, no need to increment the carry status. If result is more than 8-bit, again we have to increment the carry status register and add repeated till counter value 0. Till counter value 0. This is a concept. First, to clear any one register, suppose B register 00H. This is for to save the carry purpose. To save the carry purpose. Here, what purpose? We are using the carry means multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition means if you are doing repeated addition, then result will be more than 8-bit. At that time the carry will be occurred. We have to increment the carry register content. For that, to clear any one register. Suppose D register 00. And to clear the accumulator A register 00. This is for to clear the accumulator content 00. D equal to 00 and A equal to 00. This is for to save the carry status, and accumulator 00 for we have to add initially accumulator 0 with any one register data. This is the basic procedure for to multiplication the two 8-bit data. And load data 1 in address 8500. For that we can use LXI h, 8500 h. First data to move B register B, M. Now B equal to 05. Okay. Next, load the second data. For that, to increment the memory address. Memory address in HL. For that, INX H. The second data available 8501. Now to move the C register. MOV C, M. Now C equal to 06. Okay. Now to fix any one register for counter. Suppose to fix C register for counter means we have to add accumulator with the B register till C register 0. Till C register 0, we have to add the continuously or repeatedly. Okay, first we can add these two data A and B and B, and to check the result B register 8-bit data and A register 8-bit data. Now to add these two 8-bit data, if the result is more than 8 bits, if result is more than 8 bit, now to increment the carry register content single times. After that, decrement the C register content single times. Now to check the result whether it is carry or not. If carry occurs, if no carry after addition, now to check the result whether it is carry or not. No carry means no need to increment the carry register contents. We can directly to decrement the C register content. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again repeat the same process till C register 0. Okay. First we have to check the result whether it is carry or not. No carry means jump to here. Okay. No carry means jump to here and directly decrement the C register data. Now C equal to 0, 5. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again jump to add the same process. After that, after addition again to check the result whether it is carry or not. Okay, jump if result is no carry means jump to this address location. Suppose result is carry, carry means it will execute the next address. Here next address we can increment the D register content single times. Now see D will be increment single times. If carry means now to increment the D register content single times. Again decrement C equal to 06 to 05. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0 means again jump here and it will continue the process till C register 0. If C register 0, the result available in accumulator. Now accumulator result to store 8502H. This is for product. Now product result 1E. Now to multiply 05 and 06, the result is within 8 bit means only the product available. At that time there is no carry. The carry will be 0. Now the carry available in D register, no carry means here the carry will be 0, 0. Suppose any carry either 1, 2, 3 or 4 that available in D register. Now D register result to store next address location. This is for product and this is for carry. Okay, and carry we have to store 8503 address, but in carry available in D register, the D register data directly we cannot store. Okay, store means we have to store only the accumulator content. For that the D register data to move accumulator M O D A comma D. D register data will move to accumulator. If carry, suppose carry 3, 4, 5 or 1. Now the carry data to move accumulator. If carry no, okay, no carry means now the carry will be available 0, 0. That 0, 0 to move accumulator. The accumulator result to store 8503H and all to the program. This is the second method. The second method, it will work both whether it is carry or not. But first method, it will work only without carry. Suppose to multiply to 8-bit data, if result is within 8-bit, it will work only the first method. Okay. The second method, it will work both method whether it is carry or not. If carry means the carry result available 8503. For that we can clear the D register. If no carry, the carry will be 0. The D register available 00, that 00 data to store the given amplifications. Okay, this is the concept of 8-bit multiplication. For that, we can use the repeated addition concept to fix any one data for counter, and initially to clear any one register for 00 to save the carry status, as well as to clear the accumulator content. Okay, in multiplication, initially accumulator to clear 00. Now accumulator data add with the registered data, and the second registered data to fix for counter. Now the second registered data till 0, we have to repeat the same process. We can add accumulator with the data 1 register. Okay, thank you.